Hello guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video, I'm going to show how to create a macOS Tahoe Bootable USB to perform a clean install on a Mac. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now, let's begin. To create macOS Tahoe Bootable USB, you'll need macOS Tahoe Installer. If you don't have the installer, you can download it using your Apple developer account. And in case you don't have an Apple developer account, follow the guide from I button to download the installer. Later, the installer can be downloaded from the App Store. A command text for creating the USB. Also, one USB with a minimum 32 gigabytes capacity is needed. Now plug your USB, and as you can see, the USB appeared. Now open the disk utility and erase the USB with the following parameters. Now open the command text file and copy the whole command. After copying, open Terminal from the Spotlight search and paste the command. Here, the USB name is USB. Replace the name with your USB name after entering the name. Press the Enter key, then enter your password, and now press the Y key to proceed. And the macOS Tahoe installer will be created in a while. Make sure to allow the necessary permissions. The USB has been created successfully. Close Terminal and you're done. And now let's check whether the installer is booting or not. And as you can see, we've successfully booted to macOS Tahoe installer. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.